Here we have another extremely nice 1971 Chevelle offered by Unique Classic Cars. This car came into us just as you see it. And the previous owner, when he did the work, it's kind of made a heavy Chevy tribute out of it, which is always a good look on these cars. It's got the right decals in the right place and the heavy Chevy stripe. He even went so far as to get the hard-to-find heavy Chevy door panels, which are different than a regular Chevelle or Malibu or an SS. So pretty dang cool. Very nice car. Came into us just the way you see it. It does have the cowl induction hood as well, and that does function when you start the car up. The flapper door does close and so on. So, hey, help yourself out. Get into a great looking 71 Chevelle. Heavy Chevy tribute. Now you can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Get a look down the body lines there. You'll see, again, the paint is very nice. Body lines and gaps look pretty good. And again, when you get to looking close, you can see the paint looks very nice. This color is very popular on these cars as well. So you got the quad tail light look, dual exhaust, all the good stuff that everybody likes. It's got a nice set of custom aftermarket wheels on it. He did also build the car with, it's got, excuse me, drilled disc brakes in the front as well. I'll give you a close-up look at those. Nice and clean. All right, let's take a look inside. Here are those aforementioned door cards I was telling you about. And again, nice and solid. Nothing gross underneath the doors or anything. And if you look along the rocker, along the body panels, don't see any bubbles or anything like that coming, so that's always a good sign. Inside, it's got an aftermarket bench seat, which is, quite frankly, that's a good thing. This bench seat is a custom one that's got extra bolster, way more comfortable than the factory original bench seat, so thank goodness that he put that in there. This car does have tilt wheel. As you can see, it's got dealer installed air conditioning unit down there. Some auxiliary gauges down here. And he's got this space saver tachometer sitting right there. And of course, you got to have the AM, FM, and cassette player just to finish it off. Dash pad's nice. It's not all busted up. You see a lot of these are cracked and faded and kind of gross looking. This car, not the case. Very, very clean. The car does have seat belts front and rear, so you can take the kids with wherever you're cruising to. Back seat, it's looking good as well. Headliner is in good shape. You can see the one sail panel over there is wrinkled a little bit, but that's no big deal. Otherwise, the headliner looks good. Swing over to the other side. As you can see, that chrome bumper looks pretty darn good too. A few light scuffs right here. You know, it's been driven, but as you can see, overall still shows very, very nicely. And again, not seeing any bubbles or anything like that down low. Those are Foose wheels, by the way. Looks good on this car. Those are 17-inch wheels and tires, by the way. And again, here's a look at the interior. All right. And of course, with any car that's been out and driven a little bit, it's got, if you look there might be a chip here or there. But that's okay. That tells you the car's been used and it is ready to keep on going. So a couple easy touch-ups if somebody wanted to do, and she'd be looking good as new. All right, I'm gonna open the hood. We'll get it fired up here.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There you go. You notice the cowl induction flapper did close, like I mentioned. Good oil pressure down there. Let's take a look under the hood. Previous owner states this car is powered by the 350 Chevy V8 engine and automatic transmission in this one. It's got a nice set of headers on it. You've got power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. You got the muscle car look and all the comforts of a late model driver, which is, in my opinion, that's the best of both worlds right there. Take a look at the hood. Like I said, the car's got a nice sound to it, nice rumble, the way a muscle car should be, in my opinion. Alright, you can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trade-ins are welcome, financing is available. And this car does qualify for an extended warranty to take care of your car after your purchase as well.